Okay, so today we're going to install my Luxe tints on my 2017 Dodge Charger Daytona. This is what they come in. Alright, so pop this bad boy open. Okay. Comes with a nice microfiber, some spray to clean, and a little squeegee. Like I said, this is Luxe Auto Concepts. If you use my discount code, which I'll leave below, you can actually get a pretty good discount on all your tints. So I'm just going to do the rear tints today. I actually have it for the side markers too, but Luxe hooked it up. So there you go. Alright. Alright, so first we're going to take the spray. I did an initial wipe with Adam's polish, a little detail spray. And now we're going to take the apply spray. Give it a little squirt on here. You want to make sure it's nice and clean, that there's no debris, no dirt, no dust. So it basically gets the best seal it's going to get. There's just a little bit of alcohol in this and distilled water, straight from Luxe. This is good because you can keep this for when you're applying some other stuff. So we'll take the smaller side first, and I will my squeegee. And you're just going to line it up with the edge. Going to go from side to side. That's how I work it. Make sure you get all the bubbles out. Okay, then we'll do the long side. And it's just smoke, so it's not too aggressive, but it actually looks a lot better than the stock. To me, at least. Same deal. Start at the edge. look better. I mean, way better look with the tints. There you go. That's not. Alright, so let's do the other side. This is one of the easiest tint installs I've ever done. The way Luxe does everything is basically they get these cars and they basically test everything out. So it's not like that Chinese eBay stuff where when you get it, nothing fits, you gotta cut stuff. It's just, you know, it makes everything a pain in the ass when it's not good tint. Luxe Auto, perfect cut sizes. You don't gotta worry about anything. Same thing, line up on the crease. Going so seamlessly, it's unbelievable. It's literally just right on, no problem. Wow, I mean, look at that. That was no fast forward, no nothing. I mean, Luxe has it down. I mean, that's the easiest tint overlay I've ever done in my entire life. And it looks awesome. Yeah, so once again, Luxe Auto Concept, I'm going to put a link below as well as my discount code. They have it down. I mean, this is the easiest tint overlay I've done ever. I mean, it literally took about 5 minutes, you know, and this video wasn't speeded up or anything. I mean, this was the easiest tint overlay I've ever done. Cut to exact size. Goes right on. Unbelievable product. Would recommend it to all my Mopar fans, everyone that's getting Chargers, Challengers. They also do it for other brands too, so definitely check them out and use my discount code, and they get a pretty decent discount on your tints. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.